Sri Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
So there is no difficulty. The fact is that we have to learn how to love Krishna. The direction is there and method is there, and we are trying to serve you as far as possible. We are sending our boys in the streets and the town to invite you. And if you kindly take up this opportunity, then your life will be successful. Prema Pumarthamaha. Because this human form of life is meant for developing love for God. Because in all other life, we have loved. We have loved our children, we have loved our wife, we have loved our nest, in the bird's life, in the beast's life. There is love. There is no necessity of teaching a bird or beast how to love the children. There is no necessity. Because that is natural. To love your home, to love your country, to love your husband, to love your children, to love your wife, so on. All this love, more or less, there are in the animal kingdom. But that sort of love will not give you happiness. You will be frustrated. Because this body is temporary. Therefore, all these loving affairs are also temporary. And they are not pure. They are simply a perverted reflection of the pure love that is existing between you and Krishna. So if you want really peace, if you really want satisfaction, if you don't want to be confused, then try to love Krishna. This is the plain program. Then your life will be successful. The Krishna consciousness movement is not something manufactured to mislead and bluff the people. It is a most authorized movement, Vedic literature, the Bhagavad Gita, Srimad Bhagavatam, Vedanta Sutra, Puranam, and many great saintly persons adopted this means, and the vivid example is Lord Chaitanya. You see his picture, he is in the dancing mode. So, we have to learn this art. Then our life will be successful. You haven't got to practice anything artificial and speculating and bother your brain and so on. Since you have the instinct for loving others. That is instinctive, natural. Simply, we are misplacing love, and therefore we are frustrated, confused. So, if you don't want to be confused, if you don't want to be frustrated, then try to love Krishna, and you will feel yourself how we are making progress in peacefulness, in happiness, in everything that you want. Thank you.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare